Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Are you going well? Okay, I'm also fine. So, in this session, we are going to our chapter 2, that is publishing. So, my dear children, what did you feel when the word heard publishing? Yes, we can publish. What all things we can publish? Notices can be published. Then articles can be published. Then magazines can be published. Newspaper. Then don't go for anywhere. Look at your textbook. That is also a publication. So did you notice any specialities in your textbook? Yes, it is having specialities. Which are they? Each of the publications make their books more attractive. Okay, which means that each publication is having its own page design. Okay, so it is having an identity. Just look at the news channels in your TV. Is it having any of the identity? You want to just notice that what are the similarities and what are the differences from one channel to other channel. Okay, so one channel may having the font color is white and it is having the red background. Another channel is having the font size and font color that is black and it is having the white background. So you want to just notice all those things and you want to make a note of 5 channels. Okay. So how all those publications come into the users or come into the public? Yes, each of these things have written or printed. Now we are living in the 21st century and we all know that it is the world of technology. So all those things were printed and then they are publishing. So you want to have an assignment from the starting of this chapter 2. You have an assignment, that is we want to find the history of printing. Okay, so in the first in the earlier days how it comes to print and you want to compare it with today's printing technology. Okay, so just write it as an assignment and send to me. Okay. Okay, we can go for our chapter. In this section, we are making the headings more attractive. Okay, so you don't want to make the reports or articles. It is already created in your computer. We are just opening it and we are making changes to the headings. Okay, let's go. Activity 2.1, Making Headings Attractive. In this session, the heading can be made more attractive by making use of a tool. The name of that tool is clone formatting. So, first of all, we can open school_report.ott. Double click on the home folder. Go for School Resources folder. Select Standard 10. Here you can see schoolreport.ott. Open that file. This is the file. See, it is having main headings, then subheadings. Okay, so we are going to make our headings more attractive of this schoolreport.ott file. For that, the first thing is deciding what changes have to be made to the main headings. Listen here, the styles must be changed. How can we change the font styles? By changing the font size, then font color and the font style. For that, click on the font size and make it as 14. Then the font color must be in blue. Then the font family. You know many of the Malayalam fonts like Rajana, Chilanka, Meera, Keraliyam, etc. So from here it is given that the font family must be in Meera. So let's go. select the first heading and make the changes one by one. Our first heading is Amugam. So click on that and the changes can be carried. The font family is Meera. Then here font size is 12 and we have to change it as 14. Then the font color is red and we have to change it as blue. Okay, so we have make the changes one by one in the heading Amugam. Now we want to copy the changes to other headings using a tool. The name of that tool is clone formatting. Here can you see the clone formatting tool? This is the clone formatting tool. Okay. So to copy the changes to other headings also, we want to select the heading that is already formatted. So Amugam is the heading that is already formatted. Now it is selecting the heading Amugam. Okay. Now click on the clone formatting tool on the toolbar. Just clicking the tool. Now the tool is selected. Now for copying it, select the next heading and click and drag it. This is the next heading that is Akadamika Pravartanangal. So copy it by clicking and dragging the mouse. See the changes that we have done for the heading Amugam, that is copied to the heading Akadamika Pravartanangal. How does it change? With the help of clone formatting tool. Now I am clicking and dragging this heading. Does any change occur? No. So for getting the changes to all the headings, you want to click again and again on clone formatting tool. For that, double click on the clone formatting tool. Then go for the next heading. Then click and drag the heading like this. Next heading can be changed by using the same clone formatting tool. Okay. So now it looks easy for a small document having few pages. But imagine that if it is a large document, looks like a book or a report. Is it difficult or easy? Yes, it is difficult to copy and click and drag each of the headings like this, isn't it? So we have to go for another technology that is called style. Okay, that is our activity 2.2, styles for defining headings. Okay. For that, we can just close it without saving. So just give the option don't save. And we can open it once more. Now it is opened. Here you can select the first heading, that is Amugam. Select it. So, you have studied many features in LibreOffice Writer to format the headings and subheadings, isn't it? So, all the features are available in the style box. Which is the style box? You can see it in the left side of the formatting toolbar. This is the style box. Did you see it? Okay. So, click on here and just select heading 1. See? Click on heading 1. Now select the other titles one by one and click heading 1 from the style box. Select Akadamika Pravartanangal and give heading 1 as the format. See the difference? Okay, by looking here, you can understand that each heading is different. So, select it. And see in the formatting toolbar that the font family is Deja Vu Sans and the font size is 18.2. Okay. So this is the format for heading 1 that is already inbuilt in the heading 1 option. So you can just go for the second subheading, that is gifted and precious. So I am just selecting that. See, that is in the default style. So what is the font family? Font family is Deja Vu Sans, but the font size is 12. Here for the main heading, that is for the heading 1, the font size is 18.2. Now I am selecting any one word from the paragraph. Okay. So see, the font family is Rajana. The font size is 13. Okay. So did you feel the changes? What is the heading 1? Deja Vu Sans, and the size is 18.2. Okay. From this, you could understood that heading 1 is a style that is in the style box, which is created by incorporating certain features of a heading. Okay, so it is having certain features of a heading. Means it is having the name as heading 1. Okay. So what is heading 2? If I am giving the format heading 2 to the giftedum preciosum. Okay. So now I am selecting this heading and giving the font format as heading 2 from the style box. See, the font family is same as of heading 1, but the font size is changed from 18.2 to 16.1. So I think you got the difference between the styles in the style box. Okay, so these are already inbuilt functions and it is having the features of heading. Okay. Dear children, there are several styles that is available in LibreOffice Writer. So we can make our document more attractive by using that. Just click on the style box. Here you can see more styles option. Just clicking that, you can see a styles window in the right side of our screen. Okay, see, this is the styles window. You can just familiarize with this styles window. This is the paragraph styles. Okay, so it is selected already, which means the default style is in the style box is paragraph styles. So next one is character styles. So just clicking that, you can see the options in character styles. Next one is frame styles. Then this is page styles, and this is list style, and the last one is table style. Okay, so the default style in the style window is paragraph style. Okay, default style means if we are opening the more styles option, we can see at first the style is paragraph style. Okay, so different styles are available in this window. You could have an assignment, that is, you must find out and list down those styles we use commonly from the section paragraph style. So in the absence of the system in your home, I am just clicking and dragging this to see for you. Just notice the styles that we are commonly using from this paragraph style. Okay, this heading is commonly used. Heading 1 is commonly used. Heading 2 is commonly used. This header is commonly using. Then just notice the things. Okay, subtitle, then title, text body. We can give the style text body to the paragraphs. Okay, like that you must notice the styles that we are commonly using in the paragraph styles. Okay, and fill it in your textbook. Let us see, what do you mean by styles? Just read this. We can identify the headings of a book based on certain features such as the font, character size, color, alignment, etc. So, if you just look at any of the book, don't go for anywhere, you can just look your textbook itself. Okay, so it is having an identity. The headings of that book is same in all the chapters, which means the main headings are having the same font color, font size, etc. Then the paragraphs are having the same font. Then the subheadings are having the same font, like font family, font size, then color, alignment. Alignment means what? Left align, right align, center align. Okay. Then justify also. So these all things are studied from your earlier classes itself. Okay. Here I think you understood that we can also decide how headings should appear by clicking and selecting the headings, and we can use font formatting tools, or you can use styles from the style box. Okay. We can define headings, subheadings and paragraphs separately. So all together we can call it as styles. Okay. So I think you understood the meaning of styles. So we itself can define the headings, then subheadings, then the text, which means the content. Okay, so that can be defined separately as we wish, not the computer wish. What we wish can we do in our document. Okay, so what all things we are doing, what all the changes we are making, that are separately done by us. So we can commonly altogether call it as style. Okay, my dear children, I think you understood these topics. If you are having any doubts, you can contact me and we can meet at the next class by the next topic. So you want to do the assignment and activities and send to me via WhatsApp. Also, you want to write one word question and answer for this chapter also. Okay, I think you all submitted chapter 1 and you want to start today itself to write the one word question and answer of the chapter 2 publishing. Okay, so thank you.